Today it's an interesting day. I just found this tiny mysterious package in the mail and I can't quite recall if I ordered this. Now, this really looks something that would come from China in my experience, but I wonder what it is, because I don't remember buying this. You actually see right there, it's China Post, and I want to take a look inside and check this out. So we are going to take our generic cutter here and let's slice this thing open so we can actually take a look inside. No, that wasn't good enough. Let's try again. Okay, this time it worked. So we open our tiny package and there's some bubble wrap inside. Okay, let's see. Is this a phone case? It might actually be. We need to take a closer look at this. And okay, so this might be a case for the Samsung Note 8. Let's check it out. Just open this. Okay. And this is a soft silicone case and it's quite slim. This might be actually something that's interesting and I might actually like this. But this is very clear and very slim. I actually like the design on it. Well, there's only one way to find out how this looks like. So this is quite a nice fit on the phone. It's quite slim and it does manage to retain the look of the phone, and I really kind of like that. Also, it's nice that it covers all these corners, the places where you actually need protection. Buttons are quite easy to push. It's quite nice, feels nice. You also have cutouts for everything you need around here. Speaker, charging port, your jack port, everything. And overall, I think this is quite a nice case, and it was pretty a fortunate day to find this in the mail. I didn't quite remember actually buying this. So yeah, we'll wrap it up here, and don't forget, if you like Jojo's videos, hit that subscribe button.